To delete your Trading212 account, you need to follow these steps. Contact support. Start by reaching out to Trading212's customer support team. You can typically find contact information on their website or within your account dashboard. Request account deletion. Contact customer support via email or live chat and request to delete your account. Clearly state your intention to close your account and provide any necessary verification information to confirm your identity. Follow instructions. Once you've contacted customer support, follow any instructions they provide for closing your account. They may ask you to fill out a form or provide additional information to process your request. Close positions. Before closing your account, ensure that you've closed all open positions and withdrawn any funds remaining in your account. This will prevent any potential complications during the account closure process. Confirm closure. After following the instructions provided by customer support, confirm with them that your account has been successfully closed. They may provide a confirmation email or notification once the closure is processed. Double check. After receiving confirmation, double check to ensure that your account has been closed and that you no longer have access to the Trading212 platform.